So we're away at the moment and we've got two friends coming for supper and one of them is a birthday girl. So we're rustling up a cheeky cake. We've bought a cake, but we're going to adapt it. I'll show you how, just to make it special for her. Let's have a go at this. So we've got some cream to whip up. We've got some berries. We've bought a lemon drizzle cake. And the nearest we've got to citrus with us is a sharp marmalade. Oh, Roger, shush. Okay, let's see if we can transform this into something gorge. So the trick is not to over-whip the cream. As soon as it's solid, you cannot get a very beautiful, soft, professional finish. Okay, let's carry on. So all a bit makeshift. When you're not in your own kitchen, nothing seems to be quite as straightforward. So you're doing that sort of naked cake effect. And then we're going to clean up in aisle 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think cream's the answer.
Are we trying to disguise the fact that it's a bought cake?
It's cream.
I know you'll make it lovely. You're not putting that in the middle. You're not putting some of the... His face, he's just remembered. Okay, that's going to be turned into a sauce. Oh, you're funny. I'll come back to you in a minute. Okay, quick little transformation. That's pretty good. And I've found a few candles in the cupboard. We will make this into a birthday cake, come what may. That's pretty. We'll sort that out. What's your idea?
What do you mean, what's my idea?
What's the plan here?
This is going to run all over the top of the cake.
It's going to set...
It's not. It's going to run. Look,
If I jiggle it.
Run.
I'm not sure that was the best plan.
Yeah, look. Run, that one's running. That's running.
I think I like the look of the blueberries without the run.
There we go, look at this. Whoa. Now we've got an avalanche.
Well, it'll add a lovely citrusy flavour. Is that it? Or are you going to carry on tweaking?
Wait.
Okay, I'm waiting. But you can stick a candle in as well for her. Oh, gosh. Can we have a candle?
No.
She needs a candle. Shocking. Roger, go and stand in the corner.